We decided to come out to Newburgh to the other gym just because it's bigger and level up. Maybe we can get some work done.
To the sky, to the sky, to the sky, to the sky, to the sky.
DanPiff.com.
And every time I move, no, you really start to lose it. Oh, and every time you see me, rewind now. You ain't know me, you was clueless. Rewind now, break it down, break it down, break it down, break it down.
All right, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna grab some weights, we're gonna lift some weights, and then we're gonna keep doing that.
Yeah, turn up the bass, the bass, the bass, 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 yeah, yeah, louder, sunny, sunny, louder, how could you be so shallow? Some things are just hard to swallow, but I'm still popping bottles, cause it's sunny out and the money out. So now I got a chance to help any y'all superheroes. Sunny out, superheroes in the building. Children, please stay children, stay children. When the money come around, they come around. Remember good times, great sounds downtown. When the money come around, they come around. Remember good times, great sounds downtown. When the money come around, they come around. Can't believe you're missing this. I know you wanna witness this. I can't believe you're missing this. I know you wanna witness this. Yeah, 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 yeah. This time I got first. Now I'ma really go berserk. Close the curtain, cause you don't wanna see me get turned, get turned. I don't feel it, it's a motherfucking blessing and a motherfucking curse, and a curse. Cause you can say the truth, you can say it till it hurts. I can't believe you're missing this. I know you wanna witness this. You know what we started with, and look at what we did with it.
Some old ass nigga walked out there, butt ass nigga. Yo, he was looking like Zoidberg, bro. I was mad scared.
Look at this shit.
Oh, and we still come to. Oh, damn. Oh, he's in the lake. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, let's go. That's crazy. So,
Hell, baby.
it's hailing. Let me just.
Yo, I wish I had a snowboard right now.
I want to slide.
Let's get to my fucking car.
Oh my god, that was a bad idea. My shoes are wet.
Sanjay had a better slide. It is crazy out here. Oh shit, I almost felt like just getting in my car.
This is gonna be a fun ride home, right?
It's gonna be crazy.
After we got a camera.
Well, alright. No funny? Did you take it off your time lapse?
Yeah.
Oh, I was about to say.
I learned, bro.
I was like, are we really recording for no fucking reason?
Close your fucking door.
And if you don't want saving, then I'll let you drown. And this ain't how she raises you. These lessons are dangerous, I can't even explain them. These lessons, teacher, can you hear me now? Turn up the bass, the bass, the bass. Turn up the bass, the bass, the bass.